Good morning, students. This is your own Banti sir, yet again with some grammar lessons. This time I have come with transformation of sentences. There are different types of transformation of sentences, of course, but today we are going to deal specifically with degree of comparisons. Yes, I know your excitement because you have already done it in your HSLC classes. But yet again it is there in your higher secondary syllabus. So this will again be a revisional thing for you. Degree of comparisons. We all know there are 3 degree of comparisons. Positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Now let us understand how we change from one degree to the other. Taking the example of positive degree, how do we make this positive degree exactly? Taking examples, I can say the adjective words that we use in a sentence: tall, clean, beautiful, good, bad, etc. These adjective words can be used in sentences as tall as beautiful as, so good as. In this way, we can use these words into our sentences. Coming to comparative degree, we can interchange from positive to comparative in 2 ways. Firstly, by adding er with the adjective word like taller or cleaner. And again, we can change positive degree into comparative by adding more plus the adjective word. Like for example, we can say taller than. Taller than has to be used. THAN in the sentence when we use this than. We also use more plus the adjective word plus than. More taller than, more cleaner than. Now coming to superlative degree, we use EST plus the adjective word making it superlative. Like from tall it becomes taller and then tallest. Same way clean, cleaner and cleanest. Similarly, we can use more beautiful and most beautiful. Beautiful, more beautiful and most beautiful. Now, I shall try to help you out with transformation of sentences with 3 specific examples which are totally different from each other. I hope after watching this video you will be clarified with the rules of transformation of sentences, that is specifically degree of comparisons. Coming to the very first example that we have. Ram is the tallest boy in the class. Please look at this. When I say Ram is the tallest boy in the class, I have certain things in my mind. I mean to say, if this is the class, Ram is the tallest boy and all the other children are shorter than Ram, which makes Ram the tallest boy in the class. When I change this particular sentence into comparative degree, I have to keep in mind that I cannot change the meaning of the sentence when I interchange from one degree to the other. Now, keeping this in mind, I have to change the same sentence into comparative degree. How do I do that? I do it in this way. I say Ram is taller than. I have to use taller than. Ram is taller than who? Taller than all other boys in the class. Ram is taller than all other boys in the class. Or I have to say Ram is taller than any other boy in the class. In this way, I shall be able to change from superlative to comparative without even changing the meaning of the sentence. Now coming to positive degree, I have to say no other boy in the class is so tall as Ram. Ram certainly is the tallest boy in the class, and there is no one in the class who can be compared to the height of Ram. So I say no other boy in the class. No other boy in the class is so tall as Ram. I shall come to the second and third example in the next video. Please watch the next video.